Yeah, it's cost for me to step. Look at that view, y'all. Come on, man. They don't get no better like that in Jamaica. Beach right in the backyard. Go out there and snorkel. You know what I mean? Come out here and fish later. Do something like that, though. Look at the mountains. Y'all see the player pad. But, ooh, check that bathroom, though. Check that bathroom, though. Ooh, it's going down. Yeah, good rain shower. Good view. What it do? Yeah. Big house, man. Big house. Yeah, all kind of bedrooms. I'm upstairs with it. Yeah, mama and them over there vibing. Yeah, this is the living room. Unc out here chilling. Y'all check the view though. This thing nice, man. Coconut, man. Me gonna get the coconut. Come out here, you already know what I'm finna do, boy. Put some of that good smoke in the air. Chill out here, look at the mountains, man. Come out here, I can snorkel, fish. Look at stuff swimming over there. Ooh, boy, the mangrove snappers. You already know I got them fishing poles in the house. Yeah, it's going down, man, in a major way. I go out there and go do a little kayaking. Oh, man, it just feel like we in paradise, because we is in paradise. Yeah, that's the bedroom upstairs, you already know. So, we just chilling, man. Nice little Airbnb in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Trying to get turned up. And I got that good, ooh, wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Hey, my man just brought us a Jamaican pineapple, y'all. This is so good. There you go, auntie. Smell that. That smells good.
I don't want to drive them.
Mess it up, yeah.
Yeah.
We have to worry about
bless
it.
Then she take care of me. So
nice.
you guys come and I can do something for you guys.
Thank you. That is so nice. But I never would have thought we was going to have fresh pineapple growing in the yard. Okay.
Real deal. Real deal. That's my mama, y'all. Yeah, it's only right, man. I'm at the KFC in Montego Bay. They say this is like the best KFC out, man. I believe it, because look, the line go from, this the drive-through line, it goes way around the building, and then it stops. So, hey, you gotta believe it. So, that's the menu, y'all. Same thing we got. So let's see how good it is. Look at all that good old chicken. So we're gonna do what it do, man, and not what it not supposed to do. You already know. All right, y'all, so I got the chicken, right? That came to $13,110. So we got 2 buckets of chicken, right? But check it out though, once you convert it over to US, it's about $84, man. But look how busy it is here, man. So that's what I got, y'all. We got some spicy and we got some regular. So we're gonna see what it do, y'all. I'm excited, man, because I'm hungry and I want to see, is this chicken what they say it is? So I ain't gonna film me biting into the chicken. Just know I got it. So this is how the prices is in Jamaica, y'all. Y'all already know I love them nuggets though, but see, you can get the big box, $1,700, $5,500. You know what I mean? So yeah. Hey, my bae said why I'm being ghetto. I'm finna show y'all eating some of this good KFC chicken. Looking at the mountain. Look how bad she is, y'all. Hey, if y'all do a Google research, right? KFC over here in Jamaica is like the best KFC ever. It's the most packed KFC. They sell the most chicken out here in Jamaica. And fun fact, it's the highest gross KFC in all the KFCs. Don't believe me, just Google it. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. I'm almost done. Look at that plate. I'm at the Mega Mart, y'all. It's like they Walmart. They sell everything here. Food, jewelry, liquor. Auntie, you wanted a Coke? Okay. My auntie wanted a Coke. My wifey needed some deodorant. And they had everything. And guess what? The deodorant here is $7. We pay $15 where we at. Look, so y'all see what my auntie about to get turned up. Oh, that's where we need to be.
15,000.
So we just went up in the mountains. Y'all already saw it. Now we at the pork pit. I had Googled this place before I got here. They cook everything on the fire. And I knew my auntie was gonna love it because she loved pork. But, you know, in Jamaica, they really don't eat pork like that. But look at that good chicken. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we at the famous pork pit, y'all. It looked like a lot of money, but I love that money, y'all. It's cool. See, man, my review of the pork pit. Look how good it is. Man, got chicken, ribs, pork, pretty much everything. But look how they cook it, y'all. Come on the stick, my man, chop it up. Yeah, I'm So we got some of their pork, rice and peas, and chicken. A little red stripe.
Oh, I gotta take a picture for the girls.
Yes, man. Oh yeah, a bigger grape soda. Yeah, product of Jamaica. See my man over there? He cooking it up. Here's a big tree. Look at the roots. Man, that tree been here over 100 years. To a restaurant. This the historic, the cage. And see, this they great leaders. Had to get me some of that good watermelon. Yeah, it's sweet. And they got them seeds in it. You know, ours over there in the States, they be wanting to put those seedless watermelons. Nobody don't want no seedless watermelon. I'm okay, brother. Respect.
You good on chains?
Yeah, I just got some.
Chain.
Oh, chain?
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica chain?
I'm right there just below another chain.
Okay, I may check in on you because we finna walk around and stuff, so I may check on you. Yeah, the chains right underneath the tree. Yeah, I got you, brother. Yeah. Everybody get their hustle on here, man. That's one thing about it. They gonna get their hustle on. It's a rainy day out here in Jamaica, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been on and off storms. Oh, man, it was just crazy. But yeah, let me check in and see what they doing. Good mango. We got some fruit. Look, they got all kind of stuff, man. Cut up all that mango. Look at that. Ooh. Juicy mango. Yes, So my whole family just bought from my man here. Good people, man. We came down here. All the ladies got their purses. Auntie got a purse. Sis got a purse. Yeah. Auntie bought 3. We just bought everything, you know. Y'all see, my auntie so excited. My uncle over there. Mom, auntie. He got bags for you to put it in.
I'm gonna have to make mine shorter.
Hey, can you tie this in a knot for us?
Yes. Okay.
Just because it's a little long. She wanna buy one. It's auntie, it's $3,000.
Look here. Push
Auntie, it's 3,000 Jamaican dollars.
Push it in. This one 3,000.
Yeah.
I want $2,000.
Oh, negotiate.
Alright, how much you say?
I got a $2,000.
You have 500?
Oh, you want 500?
225. Let us see. As my mother. So, nice to the Bob Marley. You want a bead in this one? Like neck? For your neck.
That looks pretty.
We got this for your neck.
That's a long one?
Yeah. Nice for your neck. This one.
Oh, earrings.
Alright.
They want all that.
And match it out too as well. Right here. If you want it shorter, you can get it a little bit shorter.
I like it
Oh, that nice.
Oh, you make it.
Bring it to a fender if you want.
And then earring.
Oh, I think about
Smile. Alright, I got it. Smile. But you go in that sauna and stuff so much.
What's the close
All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, stay blessed.
yeah, bless.
All right, Juici patties. Had to try it out. So I got the beef and chicken. So yeah, we in the heart of the city, man.
Customer $5.49.
They got everything. $5.49. Yep.
That's 4 beef patties.
Yes. We all set. Fresh coconuts.
Alright, you're gonna give me a tip, hold on. You're gonna give me a tip for this. I'm gonna give you a show, but you're gonna give me a tip for this show. This show, don't share the show at all, alright?
Alright.
Pier rental guy, PG19. This song is about the Necktie Jelly Mon. What's my name?
Jelly Mon.
Necktie Jelly Mon.
Necktie Jelly Mon.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica with Necktie Jelly Mon.
Right here, man. Tell them to don't try this one home. Tell them.
He said, don't take this one home.
Don't try that home, alright? Come get it, boy. Guess ma. What's some more?
Huh?
What's some more?
Y'all see my baby to do a live show. Oh my God. Hey, my man ain't playing with him. I had to get a coconut. Look what he doing now, y'all. This is why I love Jamaica, man.
Remember, say
The
don't
Necktie Jelly Mon.
Remember, say don't try this one at home, alright?
Hey, don't take this one home.
Don't try it at home.
Don't try it at home.
Tell a mother, tell a father, tell a sister, tell a aunt, tell a cousin, tell a niece, tell a nephew. Say, don't try this one at home, alright?
Alright.
Pier rental guide.
Yes, man.
PG-19.
Yes.
This is one about the Necktie Jelly Mon in Jamaica.
Necktie Jelly Mon in Montego Bay.
That is it, man, on Bar on the street.
Born on the street.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. So we at Pier 1. It's a beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, man.